Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and watching yet another product video review. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be looking at a case for my ZTE Axon 7, the MicroP navy blue with kickstand case from a company called MicroP, ordered off Amazon. Beautiful looking case. I have a gold one here. The kickstand is broken, but the case still works. Still gives me great protection for my ZTE Axon 7. Polycarbonate backing, TPU inner part there for great protection. Will absorb shock if dropped. Doesn't guarantee that it will protect your device 100%. But having a case like this on a beautiful device like that, it's going to give you a lot more security than if you didn't have it. Okay. Shout out to David Yoho for sending me this case and a Poetic case and the ZTE Axon 7 for free. A blessing for me and the channel. Find out how all that came to be. There will be a link down below in the description area. Watch the video. Right now, my ZTE Axon 7 is sporting a minimal TPU case with a matte back finish, JND, and it's sporting a screen protector from a company called DMAX Armor. I will leave the links for those products down below, along with the link for the MicroP case. I'll pick this up that way you can see the color choices here. Let's go back here. You got blue. There's the gold one. Gray. Navy blue, the one that I just brought in. Red. And silver, all for $7.98. Scroll down below, a lot more information for you to read about this specific case. Read everything before you order, but I'll tell you, man, it's a good looking case and I like the kickstand. All right, let's go ahead and take off the J&D minimal TPU case, and we're going to put this one on. All right, let's go ahead and slide the ZTE Axon 7 into the MicroP case here. Looking really, really good. I love the lip all around the top part of the device where the speakers are and the display. That way, when you lay your Axon 7 down on a flat surface, you'll have some protection there with the lip of that case. Now, that also depends on what type of surfaces you're laying it on, so be careful. Rough surfaces could still possibly damage your display, but we're talking about mainly flat surfaces. Okay, on the back, that looks really nice. The kickstand looks really, really nice. Digging that. So when I'm watching movies, videos,
hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and this is 10 days with the iPhone XS Max.
Shout out to Jay Will. Nice, loving the kickstand. Here, your cutouts, USB Type-C port area, mic area, headphone jack area, and of course the camera area there with the fingerprint reader and flash. So everything looking good, really good. We're going to take my USB Type-C cable here and plug it in to make sure that there's enough space back there. My USB Type-C cables, and I have many of them, are pretty much about the same size dimensionally as this one here. So I just want to make sure plug in and charge, and yes, that works. Very nice. And we're going to take a couple pictures. Let's take a picture of the gold MicroP, make sure there's no shadowing, and a picture of my Pocophone F1, LG G7, and Razer phone, along with my Stormtrooper there. Make sure there's no shadowing. And that looks good. And that looks Very, very nice. Okay, so no issues going on there. Polycarbonate material, TPU material. Protect your investment. This looks really nice. I love the gold, but I'm digging the blue up against the gold. It just gives it a nice added look. Sexy, bold, feels great in hand. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this case, MicroP from Micro Pioneer off of Amazon. Again, the links for all the products that were mentioned in this video will be down below in the video to how the ZTE Axon 7 made its way back here to my Project 13. I think that covers everything we need to know about this case. If I missed anything, let me know down below. Feedback, much appreciated. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share on all your social media. Get the videos out there. I know that there's someone out there that would be willing to check out this channel and become a part of the team just like you did. Peace. God bless. I am out.